Yo, bro, how much for this tomato lemonade, bro? I need it so bad, bro. Bro, I need it so bad.
That's only $4, asshole.
Bro, what the heck? How am I supposed to have that? That's too expensive.
Then get a dub, you dumbass.
Holy spaghetti, there's a gigantic dog behind you.
The heck did you mean?
Just roast your fat hole.
Damn it, you're right! The heck did this idiot wheel do, bro? It doesn't do nothing. Oi, what in the hell did you do?
Oh my god, declare that guy, bro.
Come here, you stupid dog. Yeah.
Have mercy, please.
What do you think? What kind of creature is that thing, bro? Don't you dare! Don't you dare!
I bet you cannot handle this, you motherfucker. Wait, what the? It doesn't affect?
How dare you kill my master? Come here. Wait, what are you doing? Rah!
We'll give you one more chance. Don't kill in this city. Don't kill in our city.
Nah, I don't give a fuck. I'm just killing this city instead.
Then fine, I will kill you. What the? Bro, you killed our raider. What are we gonna do? Lick my ball. What was that? Everyone in the city evacuate. Ah!
Oh, hey, stop it. My hair.
I think it's better overthink and I am going to kill you for surrender or get this night.
Bro, what the fuck?
Watch out, there's two giant dogs.
Furious.
If you were gonna be shouted, then get slide with these cat sounds. Yeah.
Please spare us, doggy.
I'm out. Wait, what the?
Bro, he got our friend.
Let me go!